Imagine a world where machines can think, learn, and even create, just like humans. Sounds like science fiction, right? But it's happening today, all around us. Welcome to the world of artificial intelligence, the technology that's changing everything. Hi everyone. In today's video, we're diving deep into AI technology, what it is, how it works, and why it's transforming our lives. From self-driving cars to AI-powered assistants, AI is no longer just a concept from movies, it's real, and it's everywhere. What is AI? AI, or artificial intelligence, refers to machines and computer systems that can perform tasks that normally require human intelligence. This includes learning from experience, recognizing patterns, making decisions, and even understanding natural language. You interact with AI every day, sometimes without even realizing it. Voice assistants like Siri or Alexa, recommendation systems on Netflix or YouTube, and even smart email filters are powered by AI algorithms. There are different types of AI. 1. Narrow AI. This type specializes in one task. For example, AI that plays chess or recommends music. It can be incredibly good at its task, but can't do anything outside it. 2. General AI. This is AI that can perform any intellectual task a human can. While it's still theoretical, it's what people imagine when they think of intelligent robots. 3. Super AI. AI that surpasses human intelligence. This remains futuristic but sparks debates about ethics, safety, and control.
How AI works. Most AI systems today rely on machine learning, a technique that allows computers to learn from data. Instead of being explicitly programmed for every task, AI algorithms analyze huge datasets, identify patterns, and make predictions or decisions based on that data. Another exciting area is deep learning, inspired by the human brain's neural networks. It's behind AI breakthroughs like facial recognition, voice assistants, and even AI-generated art. The more data AI has, the smarter it becomes, which is why companies are investing billions in AI research and development. Real-world applications. AI is everywhere, changing industries and our daily lives. Healthcare. AI helps diagnose diseases, analyze medical images, and even suggest treatments. Transportation. Self-driving cars rely on AI to navigate safely. Finance. AI detects fraudulent transactions and helps manage investments. Entertainment. From music recommendations to AI-generated scripts, AI is redefining creativity. Even agriculture and climate research benefit from AI, making it a tool for solving some of the world's biggest challenges. Challenges and ethics. Despite its potential, AI comes with challenges. Privacy concerns, job displacement, and algorithmic biases are serious issues. Ensuring AI is used responsibly is crucial. Researchers and policymakers are working on guidelines to make AI safe, fair, and transparent. Conclusion and call to action. Artificial intelligence is no longer the future, it's the present. It's changing how we work, live, and interact with the world. So, the big question is, are you ready for the AI revolution? If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more amazing insights into technology and innovation. Let us know in the comments which AI application fascinates you the most.